issue. Mons Island is a protected area in Spain, but unfortunately in the recent years, natural resources of this area has been destroyed by several natural and human-made factors. Lack of new knowledge of natural and human-made land uses is a big challenge in this area at present. One of the destructive factors of native plant species is increasing establishment of acacia, which is an invasive species in this island. This species threatens the habitat of native species in Ons Island. In this picture, you can see the establishment of acacia in Ons Island. The importance of this research is mapping different land uses, including natural and human-made land uses in Ons Island, which give us new information about natural covers such as forest cover, and also new data of human-made land uses in Ons Island. So objective of this research is mapping the natural covers, including forest, shrubland, and rangeland, and also mapping the human-made land uses, including residential area, road, and cropland, which was done by Planetoscope satellite image and also random forest algorithm. Material and method. Study area is Ons Island, which is one of the most important protected area in northwestern Spain. It is in Atlantic Ocean in Pontevedra, Galicia province in northwestern Spain. It covers an area about 526 hectares. It's included some mixed forests with different plant species like Pinus, Quercus, Acer, Cupressus. In this aspect, you can see some real species in the study area. Ons Island is a biodiversity hotspot in northwestern Spain, which has valuable forests and rangeland, which create habitat for many endemic fauna and flora in the study area. Data. To do this research, we used different data sets. The first one was Planetoscope satellite image. We downloaded this image from Planet website, and then we classified this image by random forest model to obtain the land use map of the study area. In this table, you can see the characteristics of the satellite image that we used in this study. It was a composite image with cloud cover less than 1%, with 8 spectral bands. Spatial resolution was 3 meters. And the date of satellite image was June of 2024. We selected this date for the satellite image because at this time of the year, all the land uses are detectable on satellite image. The second data set that we used was Google Earth satellite image. We used this image for better distinguishment of different land uses in the study area, and also we applied them as a reference data for accuracy assessment of land use map. The first step of this study was selection of training areas on satellite image. Based on field survey, we found out there are 9 different land uses in the study area, including forest, shrubland, rangeland, soil, stone, residential area, cropland, road, and water. We tried to select enough and scattered training area for each land use. In this map, you can see the distribution of training areas that we selected on the satellite image. The second step of the study was supervised classification of Planetoscope satellite image, which was done with a random forest model. We used this model because of its high efficiency in land use classification, especially in the heterogeneous area. And finally, we evaluated the accuracy of land use map using 180 random square plots on Google Earth. For this purpose, we took 20 plots for each land use with dimension of 3 at 3 meters which was according to the pixel size of PlanetScope satellite image. Finally, we compared the land use of each plot on Google Earth with land use of that plot on land use map. And we obtained different accuracy indices, such as overall accuracy, kappa index, producer accuracy, and user accuracy. Result, land use map. In this slide, you can see the land use map of the study area. In this map, the dark green shows the distribution of forest cover in the study area. The light green shows the rangeland in the study area, and the medium green shows the shrubland in the study area. And also, you can see different type of land uses in the ONS Island. And in this table, you can see the area of different natural covers and also different human-made land uses. Accuracy assessment of land use map was done by error matrix. In this table, you can see the error matrix of the land use map. In error matrix, the values on the main diagonal of the matrix shows the accuracy of land use map. We had 20 plots for each land use, and finally we obtained the accuracy indices for land use map obtained in this study, which was 92% for overall accuracy and 0.89 for kappa index. Discussion. Based on the result obtained from this study, we found that forests cover 27 hectares of the study area, and also rangeland 200 hectares in ONS Island. Shrublands covers 100 hectares. All of these natural covers are provide habitat for several fauna and flora, so conservation of them is very important for us. Totally natural areas covers 77% of ONS Island. On the other hand, human-made land use just cover 5% of ONS Island. Rangeland was the largest land use in the study area. Result of other studies have also shown that the rangeland or grassland is the widest land use, which is according to the result of our study. On the other hand, residential area was the smallest land use in the study area. The small area of this land use is because ONS Island is a protected area, which is managed by Environmental Agency of Galicia National Park. There are some small residential area in ONS Island, like some places for camping and some small restaurants, but they are not so much.